Today, I will make an Aquarius-themed Zodiac charm. I have this mold, which is the silhouette of a jar with water pouring out of it, a symbol of the Aquarius Zodiac. I will use this white mica pigment and this light blue mica pigment along with a little silver glitter. Before I start, I quickly check the level of the table in case it needs some adjustment and put on my protective gear. Now, I follow the basic steps of resin mixing to prepare the resin by pouring equal volumes of the resin and the hardener into the mixing container. I mix the resin slowly with a clean stirring stick until the resin turns cloudy and then eventually turns clear and watery. Aquarius colors are electric blue and silver. This light blue and the white mica pigment are shimmery. I will be pairing these colors with some silver glitter later to capture the essence of the Aquarian zodiac. I mix the resin just enough so that the color still has some texture and is not completely uniform. There's a little movement which happens while the resin slowly cures. I want to use that to my advantage. My colors are ready to be poured. So let's get on with it. I am making this jar blue, and the water of knowledge and abundance will be white mica. I am diluting this leftover white clear resin and will use it to soften the meeting of these two colors. I take the toothpick around the edges to make sure that there are no bubbles trapped. I feel that the honesty of simplicity represents this zodiac best. So I will keep embellishments to a minimum so as not to weigh down this air sign. Give the colors one final swirl. You can see that the colors are already starting to blend. I use my heat gun to dissipate any surface bubbles. I will leave this to cure for 24 hours. This is ready to demold. It has cured well. And the colors are looking very lovely and subtle. Because I did not fill the mold completely, the resin crept up the sides a bit. While this jar is coming out easily, the water is ironically offering more resistance. I could probably exert more force, but I am being a little careful here because I do not want to damage the mold. I do want to use it later again. The edges are bubble-free and clean. This is going to be the back and this is going to be the front. I will give these uneven edges a bit of a sand down before I dome it. Now, let's use this silver glitter to add some dimension to this charm before I dome it. The silver dust is a stream of inspiration, offering renewal and hope that the zodiac pours into the world. Some embellishments go on the back instead of the front since the zodiac is private. The distant star to represent their detachment, an open star to represent their open-mindedness. A heart to honor their humanitarian qualities. The moon to represent their intellect and imagination. The back and the front are cured, and this zodiac charm is looking ethereal. Let's get this ready for my backpack. My charm is ready and looks great. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe. And have a wonderful day.